talking about a sugar booger flavor.
Travis, Shelly Ojo, security. I know there's gonna be
work every day till we meet ends. I fi turn it up on the weekends. Boss a toast to your real friend. Tell me.
So right now, we're one of the divinities then.
Divination!
Right now. Big up for the cell. Why you want to late?
Divine presents the first anniversary. Day party rap your swagger.
Good night, Divinity Nation! Hi guys! It's Saturday night, yeah, we're going out, we're going out.
Road.
Yes!
Yes!
Sushi. I want to you. Miss Sushi new outfit for the night. Okay. I went to the club. Yo, usually I'm going to the club and I do not with my life, you know. First in a long time on a weekend night, me I'm gonna away.
Yes.
For real. That one here draw me out. Sorry, I can't do it so good, but yeah.
Come on, kitty.
So yeah, when we reach, I'll let you guys see. We reach, but Lord gosh, parking is ridiculous. See Michaela here in front of me. It's crazy. Like, oh, we're at this party named BFN, by the way. So I have to park all the way down at TGI this so and walk coming in. So my crew. Alright, so walking in guys. Where the weapon here? I'm showing it up there. Why? Yeah. So see there, it's really packed guys.
Hold on, no. If my birthday pull up. If my birthday pull up.
Yeah.
Before she have time. People lock off the sound and go. But I said not work on no one else.
The lighting go in and out.
Please.
Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though?
everybody dancing. I'll get it too. Me not give me man parring. Break the fruit and rose. Everybody get around me. She said she love off the red fruit. So do all thing and when this track break fruit and raise to my toe.
Hey!
Wicked man thing.
Wicked man thing.
Oh, not Jews land. Wicked man thing. Look how Shut you know. Talk crazy, I pull up on the lane. All be late, dog. I had to regulate.
Wait, what can I beat that?
Public service announcement.
So we left just a while ago. It was pretty good. The vibe is pretty good there. You know. So yeah, we enjoyed ourselves. It was packed though. It did full. Only for people in the day and thing. So now me go look for go home. Oh, we never showed the outfit of the night. So but I showed them. Even though we leave or whatnot, we still have our clothes out. Whatever. This is Michaela's outfit of the night. Yes, pencil skirt. Watch her though. Yes, Michaela over there. Lord gosh, man. Very simple. I just dressed it up with this necklace. Yes, I really love this. Really love this because it go well with the shoes. And the shoes are from 912 Boutique. Pants from Fashion Nova, and I think this is from New Dress. I think. Yeah. Alright guys. We'll talk to you another day. We're gonna get
Tomorrow.
some sleep. We're gonna get some beauty sleep. Oh yes, tomorrow. Tomorrow. I'll tell you what's gonna happen. Huh? But yeah, I'm on my way to go to Tanzania now. Yep, I was supposed to go to a party in boy. I have too much work for that. I have gym tomorrow. I have the club later. So yeah. Always slaying McCamanage. Yes, get him a 360. You see the flip? McCamanage. You see all that length? Inches.
And the bellies, guys.
Yes.
I want you now, them no bad like you. Nobody doing bad like you. Want you now, them no bad like you. Nobody can bad like you. Want you now, them no bad like you. Nobody doing bad like you. I want you now, now. Them no bad like you. Yeah, I know I shouldn't, but I gotta have you. I love all the things you do.
Get me far off in the back, no? And you should not take it more fire.
No one them see you. Them see enough of me.
Come, let me do this now. So nice. And then we'll come back. Yeah, looks so bad. I got it.
No, I need it. I need everything.
Catch the color. Alright, tell him bye.
Bye, divinity.
Okay, that's more like it. She's learning. Why am I here? Look so. Alright, so I'm leaving now, guys. Leaving. Gonna go back home. Yeah. So Travis mischievous him deliberately drive beside that woman here and don't want to speed up. And the woman realized now. The woman realized say this car not speeding up. You know how long he might drive? Why? All them foolishness here. See how long you gonna drive beside the woman? You see she not paying no mind.
Now look at her she gets scared now.
Scared? You really feel like the woman scared? Oh yeah, you seriously? Lord have mercy. She not paying no mind. She probably want her now. She look over here. You're too mischievous. She look vexed. Like she said, what them want to them people here? And I mean people, you see how Travis stay.
Me?
Yes.
No.
You want to say something to the lady?
No.
That, so what you troubling woman for? Look, so now, yeah, look over there for the woman, so you want to say hi to her? Woman notice now in the people and she look over here and Travis not stop. But you see she look? Him just play too much. See she a cuss? Woman a cuss. And him a laugh. Jesus, she wind up her glass. Wait, so all along she just wind up her. But I wind up my glass long time. What the hell is he doing? How was she there? She drying on back her glass. You play too much, man. Just get some lashes for my kit. I know I'm going to Terry's to get a couple stuff. You know, so I'm gonna publish my Monday video. I'm going to head home and that and edit this vlog. Yeah, I have this vlog to edit. I haven't started as yet, but that's what's up. So I am going inside. Kinda do it, man. Like today was a rough day at the gym, but you know, it was good.
Well, we have one of your biggest fans. She tell you?
Huh?
Did she tell you how much she's like your biggest fan?
I mean, she never expressed it like that, but I mean, I know she watched my videos.
Your face, like zoom up on it.
Where is you do it? No, cut crease and flip. What she hide it for? Come on, man.
Like me, I know it'll be different.
But I am your biggest fan.
Oh, that's so nice. You know, Cho. Alright, but not putting it on.
Mess up your
No, trust me, she edits a lot.
Listen.
Yeah, but you make her job harder.
No.
Trust me, this is gonna go in there. Man, I know your iPhone. Look
what you do.
Oh gosh. Alright, let me see. I'm not putting it on you. No, see there?
Oh. That's when you realize.
Oh Lord.
What are you working out on though?
I am toning. I am
Toning.
Toning.
No kid, no nothing.
I know I'm not losing weight. I'm just getting fit. Healthy lifestyle. No man, I want ripped abs, ripped definition here and there. Yeah.
I'll just take normal abs. They don't even have to be ripped. They don't have to have curls. They don't. I'll take abs.
Sometimes I like to see the definition, you know?
Wow.
I like to see the definition. Guys, so I'm home and I'm about to start editing as I told you guys before, but I just want to tell everybody thanks, everybody that, you know, turned up, you know, at Rep Your Swag, and everybody that supported. Oh my gosh, unfortunately I wasn't there this time around and I'm so sorry about it, but next time, yeah, definitely I'm gonna be there next time, so y'all don't have to worry. I'm gonna dip on my eyelash, all right? But I'm super appreciative of all the support that you guys showed us. You know, it was of course Divine's party and he's, you know, so happy with the turnout and all the support and the love that everybody showed. I mean, they literally didn't want it to end, and that's just, oh my gosh, it just made me feel so good that you guys actually, you know, really ride with us. That is amazing. It's an amazing feeling. Yeah, that will pretty much sum it up for this vlog, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it as usual, and if you did, go ahead and give this vlog a thumb up. All right, I'm gonna soon up on Saturday. Yeah, Saturday. Ooh, Saturday Shami's cheerleading competition is the finals. Yeah, they've been going real hard with training and all of that, so I really hope that that turns out amazing for them and stuff. So I'll talk to you guys on Saturday. All right, bye.